again, old and new friends. I'm Lena, lead designer at Annie's, and a warm welcome to this Quick Stitches and Tips episode from Annie's Creative Studio. Today's topic is how to understand yarn labels. I will show you how to interpret all the important information on a yarn label, from the size of yarn, the yardage, figuring out how much yarn to buy, to discuss dye lots, also how to take care of finished projects, and much more, because these things are super important to understand when shopping and choosing a yarn for a new project. So stay tuned today. Oh, and if you're not a member yet, you can sign up to start watching for free today.